Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how to disable the message delivered tick mark in Messenger on an iPhone. This tutorial is designed to be quick and straightforward, so let's begin. To start, open the Messenger app and tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the page. Next, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. From the options provided, select Active Status and toggle off the Show when you are active option. Now, go back to the chat where you do not want the message delivered tick mark to appear and tap on the user's name. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Restrict. By restricting this user, you will move the chat out of sight, hide your activity, and have the option to unrestrict at any time. That concludes the steps on how to disable the message delivered tick mark in Messenger on an iPhone.